Come in my world. There you are. It's good to see you again. How you doing? It's always good to see you. Let's tackle reassurance, the ease, fear, and doubt. Restore that inner trust again. So, there are times that you need a reassurance to ease that fear and doubt, that self-doubt, and restore your inner trust in anyone that you love so dear. Sometimes you need someone to kickstart you, to understand, to trust is tough. Someone hurts you so badly, or someone traumatized you so badly, and to trust them again, it's hard. It's hard to recover. It's hard to understand why they do that. Why they do that to you. You didn't deserve it. Why? And sometimes you need reassurance to do things in life. Studying, becoming somebody in your life, taking control of your life, understanding what your life is all about. It's about you, your destiny, your hopes, your dreams, your goals. What do you want to do? You have plans already. Maybe you want to be doctor, lawyer, businessman, executive. You know, maybe you want to work for the government. Maybe you want to do more than what you can do, more than your parents could have done. You want to do it all, and you can. You just have to have determination, mindset, goals, and everything, and willing to follow through and never give up. Never give up. Too many people give up. They don't have that reassurance. I'm giving you that reassurance to do things again. Make your life a lot better. Giving you the opportunities to make your life better for you. Sometimes you need someone to motivate you, encourage you, to be there for you. That's what I am here. I'm here to help you heal. I'm here to help you feel 100%. And again, if you need this session, repeat it until it helps you. Helps you feel reassured in life. You need that reassurance. So many ways, and there's ways to get healed. And here's opportunity to get healed. I want you to feel peace. I want you to feel that love. I want you to feel that happiness and that care. But you need to ease from that fear and that self-doubt, to restore your inner trust again, and people, friends, family, and everything else. You need to relax, calm down, feel at peace, love again. You have to trust again. And it's hard. Take the steps you need to trust again. You have to take the steps to trust again and to feel in your heart again. Such a person will never hurt you. Such a person will never just say, hey, it's not going to work. I can't handle this, and walk away. You don't want to. You want reassurance that they're not going to do that. You're going to want reassurance that you don't have self-doubt anymore, because they didn't put your best interest at heart. They didn't care. They put themselves ahead of you, and you got pushed back. This happens, and we have to work on that to get over that. We're using the selenite wand to help heal you with this. But first, I'm going to use black tourmaline to remove that self-doubt, the unconfident self of yours, that fear that you have. Find a quiet place, someplace comfortable. You want to be comfortable when you get healed. Feet planted to the ground, lay down, lie on your back, on your bed, couch, whatever, where you want to be. Hammock, just sit back, relax, peaceful, and enjoy this healing session to help you have reassurance, ease that fear and that doubt, that self-doubt, and restore your inner peace. And that's what you want to do. Now, relax. Let the spirit come in. Let the oxygen come out. Let the spirit comes in. Let the oxygen come out. Selenite, heart, selenite, crystal, healing crystal. Gain that trust again and feel that peace with yourself. Feel that peace with yourself. Focus. Get a little citrine here. This is very powerful. Crystals don't have to be the size that you might see. Everything heals. Everything heals you. You feel the healing. You feel it. I want you to have no more fear. I want you to have no more self-doubt. I want you to restore your inner trust. Trust others. But you cannot have nothing to do with others that don't have your best interests. And they don't have that. You can't have the trust with them anymore. Because when they break your trust, it's hard to get it mended and make it restored. You can't do it. Not with them. It doesn't work that way. I want you to take a deep breath. And just wait. How do you feel now? You feel that confidence? You feel that self-assurance again? The self-doubt is gone and your confidence has built up now. You're not afraid of anything. You feel good. Take a deep breath. In this session and the previous one that was shot, we're using psychic energy to heal you in these two sessions, to make you feel relaxed, to give you that extra boost of energy so you can feel quiet, calm, peaceful, loving. Inner peace, inner trust. Your inner trust is restored. You are now ready to take on any challenges. You have the confidence. You have the inner trust again. And the reassurance that you can do anything you need to do in life to make your life a lot better. You are welcome. My pleasure to help you, to make you feel good, to make you feel happy, and restore that energy back to you so you can take on those challenges that you need to make your life a lot better. Let's take a time now and just relax. But here, let me give you some lavender, Frankenstein, jasmine, and Frankenstein. Sniff. Very good. Very want you to feel at ease. I want you to feel relaxed. I want you to feel yourself. Take care. Time for me to go. I gotta go back now. Whoops. Here we go. You take care. Bye-bye. You have protection. Always. 360 degrees spiritual protection. Bye-bye.